Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot camera problems on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, wait for it to load, click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter and let it run. The next solution will be after the camera troubleshooter, search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on the first one, you can update the drivers. Right click on the second one and you can update the drivers as well. Okay, so this is for the camera drivers. Then you can right click on the start button, select settings, go to privacy and security, and then go to the camera app and make sure that camera access is on. And you can also select other camera options, app specific options to give it access. They are not usually selected by default, and this is the main cause of the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.